First, we need 2 pieces of 4 mm copper wire. Then take 2 mm jumper wire. These all components you require to make this project. First, we have to make soldering like this with LED linked to the transistor. Label indicator strip will look like this. I am taking water part. According to the water level, we have to shorten the jumper wire. This end will connect to battery positive terminal. All open end of jumper wire will connect to transistor base terminal. Now all connection is completed. Here you will notify that I have added 2 more transistors. It will ensure to remove false triggering. Check description box for a sketch.
Please subscribe my channel, watch more videos, hit the like button and share.